In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your institution in a very simple way on Edozzier. The first thing you're going to do is to go to edozzier.com. That's edozzier.com. Then you click on this button that says Start. You'll be directed to the Setup Wizard page. So, as you can see on the screen, I'm going to click on Get Started here. And here you're going to enter your institution details, starting from your school logo, institution abbreviation, the institution type, whether it's primary, secondary, tertiary, or probably it's a business you want to onboard or an hospital. But in this case, we're going to be onboarding a tertiary institution. So I'm going to start by fetching a logo for the institution. Let me pick this. Then I will have enter the institution logo. So it could be anything, probably one that your clients or one that your students are used to. So I could say Unijos, institution type is tertiary, name of institution could be University of Jos. So as you can see, the subdomain has been automatically computed here, unijos.edozzier.app. So I'm going to click on next. So it requires a profile for the admin that is setting up the school. So it needs the first name. Let me just put John. Then let me use a phone number. I could use the email. You have to put the password. This password, and once the school is set up, this will be the first staff on the admin page or on the admin portal. So whatever password you set here is what you use to log into your institution's portal. So kindly also note that a verification code to be entered on the next page will be sent to the email you provide on this page. So I'm going to click on next. So here it's the pricing page and we're almost done. Here is where you pick the plans that will be of benefit to your school, whether you're starting on free, whether you're starting basic, or for most tertiary institutions, the deluxe plan is usually a preferred option, or let's say you want to customize your plans, right? So the next thing I will just do is to click on deluxe. Let's say I want to take deluxe, probably the storage I need, the bill you can see here. What is the payments? How do you want to be making payments? Is it monthly? Is it triannually? Is it semi-annually? Is it yearly? So I'm going to pick yearly. I could pick monthly. At monthly, you see the bill here. That's the bill that the institution will be paying monthly. Triannually, that will be 3 times a year, 243,800, as you can see here at 30 gig. If I want to reduce and go as low as 20, this is the amount. If I want to go as low as 10, this is the amount. Yes, I can't go beyond 10. So let's say I want more space, I can control of that here. So semi-annually is twice a year, and for most tertiary institutions this is also usually a good option because they get to section the whole thing into first and second semester. Apart from that, yearly, that's 12 months, but a good thing about yearly is that you get 2 months free when you pay yearly. That means for the value of 12 months you're paying 10 months, right? So you get 2 months free. So this is the bill here. So you're going to enter the verification code. Let me fetch the verification code from the email I provided. So I'm going to fetch that from my email. So yeah, I have my verification code here. So it says it's it's capital V, it's YGZ. I think it's lowercase YGZ. So the next thing is to click on make payment to create the school, and you'll be redirected to the payments page. So you get to read through the terms of service. Of course, I'm going to click on accept. So as soon as you make payments here, you have a variety of payment options. You could use your card, you could use transfer, you transfer to this bank account. As soon as you do that from your bank app, you just click on this. Most times it's usually automated when you've done that already from your bank account. You can also use OPay if you want. So once that is done, you can be rest assured that your institution will be set up. And once your institution is set up, you will get a follow-up email containing the login details, the institution URL link for the admission portal, the student portal, and also the admin portal. So that's 3 portals in one. So the best thing to do with those links, especially for institutions that already have their institution website, right, is to share those links with the developers of that website, so that, because the website is the institution's first point of contact for potential applicants, they will integrate those links there, so that anybody who goes to, for instance, universityofjos.com, just for an example, if staff want to access the portal, they go there and they click on staff portal, and it redirects them to the portal you just created. If anybody wants to apply to your institution, they also go to the school website or the institution's website, click on apply now. It redirects them to the application portal or application page. If students also want to access their portal, it's best that they also go through the school's website. I hope with this you're able to understand how to set up your institution. In case there are any other questions that you want to ask, you can always reach out to the support team, and they will be ready and happy to assist. Thank you so much.